a lot of these brands down here I've not heard of.
No, but nice looking keyboards though.
This way. This is a funky one, isn't it? If I was to go for any of these, it'd be this one.
Magnetic switch. Ah, that's what feels different. Ah, look, it's this brand, Jay. You probably won't know them though. That's a speaker, believe it or not.
Speaker, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Bluetooth speaker. Wow, look at that keyboard. Up there on the wall.
What?
One up on the wall.
Speaker?
That's much better.
Mine's blue switches. Not blue. Probably red or brown potentially.
That's what's allowed to be.
Funky looking keyboard though.
Soft.
Wow. That's heavy. Yeah. Hello.
Oh wow.
This is made of aluminium.
Oh right.
It's nice.
It's nice, I'll give it that, yeah.
Ooh.
Sells with this
All right.
and this and this.
No, don't match.
Oh, just too expensive.
Oh, no worries.
Very nice.
You can change.
Change that.
You can hot swap
Oh, the
button
switches.
and the switches.
Oh, right, nice.
Just need the puller.
Oh,
That
right.
one take the cap off and that one take the switch out.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
And this is one of the lightest mount in the world.
Right.
It's 49 grams.
Oh, wow.
It's not the same.
That's
Jesus.
wow.
Try this.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. That's nothing.
No, no.
This is it will be launched next month.
All
So
right.
this is handmade. This
What's
part
handmade?
is handmade.
Oh, wow.
The sticker handmade.
Oh, cool.
Like that one though, be cool on your hand.
This is the connection for the wireless, so the latency stays low.
Okay, yeah.
Very nice.
USB-C. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Keycap customization. Oh, look at keyboard heaven here. Wow, look at these.
That looks like
Ah,
Oh, wow.
what is that?
It feels like beef.
They feel really nice as well, don't
I
they?
know. Wow. Now that is different, isn't it? Feel this way.
I know.
Feel it.
Feels like sweets.
I know.
Mints.
Yeah.
Imperial mints.
Imperial mints.
Look at that one, it looks like burnt marshmallow. Oh, look at the mice.
Mouses too.
Mice.
Mouses. Different, isn't it?
That's cool. Sorry, I meant Gael. Later on, they make switches for keyboards. It's a magnetic switch. That's the second one I've heard of magnetic switches.
This is cool, isn't it?
Battery is white.
We have more keyboards inside. If you want, I can
Then
Gail. You said, I was surprised, didn't you? Gail. Wow. Gail.
oh, MSI do have some computers here. MSI.
Is this the proper one now?
Yes. It's not car chargers.
Huh?
It's not car chargers.
No.
That was really weird, wasn't it?
Car charger.
Oh, 34.1-inch QD OLED, 240 Hertz. Do you want a 34-inch curved QLED? The claw. It's quite nice. Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Windows 11 Home. It's a gaming.
Oh,
it's like
a tablet.
It's a proper version of a Nintendo Switch, basically, but
yeah.
it runs on Windows.
The modern ones. Yeah. Well, it's nice though. How cool that is. It's nice, small size. I like something like powerful, but like this size. And they're too much for what I need it for. Wow, that is a powerful.
Oh, back plate you can get. It's cool. Gaia. That is not what? Chongus.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
I know.
Wow. That's nice. 4060.
What the hell is this?
Turntables, isn't it?
It's massive. Look at it.
I think you need a support on that if it's better than the
Yes,
PC.
you definitely would. You'd break your
100%.
motherboard in half.
Wasn't it MSI who made the... No, what was it? You could bend the OLED screen. I don't know if it was. I think it was... the company begins with a C.
Oh yeah.
Corsair? No, that might be him. Oh, actually. That's nice, yeah. 49-inch QD OLED. 240 Hertz as well.
Ja, dann muss ich gerade Social Media rum.
Nice.
You watch Photoshop?
Sorry?
You watch Photoshop?
What's a Photoshop? He's creating art.
Yeah, Photoshop.
Okay. Looks like we're in the
Gaming section.
I wonder if it's catching that well. It's a hologram.
Oh.
I think it is.
Yes.
Actually.
How will communicate in the future with a hologram.
It's probably just a clear OLED, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is. Yeah. Nothing special about that. We've seen them.
We've got 4 now, I think, haven't we?
Yeah.
Wandang Suho. Oh wow. That's a nice case.
There you go.
8 cases, I believe. Oh, GameX. Ah, okay. That's a nice one. Oh, the one with curved glass.
That's nice. Oh, look at the effort on that.
Because there's nothing in there.
Yeah, I know.
When you stick a motherboard in there, graphics card,
Yeah,
there
you
should be
feel
motherboard
nothing.
there.
Yeah.
That's a nice one as well.
Yeah, oh, that is nice. That's similar to the one over there, but it's more glassy. How much do you reckon that would be? 100?
Yeah.
Probably more, wouldn't it?
Nice though. Hello. A nice bright stand.
What's this one?
Wow.
That's cool,
Geil.
Geil. Very geil.
And there's one.
There's one for you, isn't it, Stu? A little rainbow?
Oh, this one's all. Oh. Look at this one.
And it just goes back to however it was.
Like this one, the small white keycaps in the box. So very big.
What?
You just change the keycaps and you get this one.
Ooh.
Anything.
Okay.
Geil.